Sorry, very quickly, wish him all the best to Chiefs, and what do you expect from him?
It's coming from a broken Kaizer Chiefs at the moment, the team that is not giving us much, that is trying, instead of progress. Sometimes, Chiefs, what they do, they put one step forward and they put two steps backwards, meaning instead of progressing, we are regressing. I think we're in between. So I'm saying to Mthethwa, come to the Klama boys, make something out of nothing, especially in the middle of the park. Make something. Try to connect as quickly as possible, because indeed we need him. We welcome him with warm hands, and I believe and hopeful that we'll get something, especially from the cabinet of the Klama boys. All the best to Mthethwa, and let's see what he can do. But up front, let's sort out ourselves there, because those chances, I'm still crying for those chances. Let's sort ourselves there and make sure that we build those chances that we're creating.
Right, so there you go.